Maintaining optimal dental health is a cornerstone of overall well-being. Dental care extends far beyond achieving a dazzling smile. It encompasses habits that impact our daily lives. From the moment we awaken, the ritual of brushing our teeth serves as a gateway to a fresh start. The gentle scrubbing with fluoride toothpaste not only eradicates yesterday's remnants, but also shields our teeth from potential decay. Yet oral hygiene encompasses more than brushing alone. The dance of floss between teeth acts as a meticulous cleaner, reaching the crevices a brush can't. Routine dental checkups, often overlooked, are crucial, serving as a preventive measure against hidden problems. The dentist chair, though daunting for some, is a haven for the safeguarding of our dental fortitude. In this realm, professionals, armed with tools like explorers and mirrors, unveil any lurking issues, paving the way for prompt treatment. Moreover, the choices made at the dining table reverberate within our mouths. The nourishment we provide or deny determines the vitality of our oral ecosystem. A balanced diet fortifies our teeth, empowering them against the assault of decay. The harmony of these habits orchestrates an enduring symphony of oral well-being, resonating from our smiles to our health.